Hello friends, welcome to Shirl's Foodies. I'm back with another quick and simple recipe, that is chocolate chips. First of all, we'll require chocolates. Here I have chopped these chocolate into small pieces. And here I've taken a bit of water for a double boiler. So friends, here you can see our water has started boiling. Now we'll place the chocolate on top on a heat-proof bowl. Slowly start mixing the chocolate. You'll see the chocolate has started melting. So friends, here you can see our chocolate has melted nicely. Now take it off the heat. And just let it cool down and until it gets thickened up a bit. So friends, here you can see it is almost a bit thick. Now when it's done, we'll transfer it into a piping bag. Here I have a piping bag. You can even make your own piping bag with butter paper or parchment paper, whatever you want. Just transfer it. And cut the end of the piping bag. And start piping small dots like these. Now when you pipe it, just make sure you make a dot and lift it up. And then freeze it for about 15 to 20 minutes or else till it is nicely freezed. So friends, our chocolate chips are ready. They're nice and frozen and I've served it and I've taken it out in a bowl. This recipe is really very simple. Do try this recipe at home. So friends, if you like this simple and easy recipe, make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.